Nagpapakalat daw ng maling impormasyon si DDS China Tour Alan Peter Cayetano ukol sa pagtatanggol ng huli sa China ayon kay PCG spokesperson Jay Tariela.
Ang mga airplano ba natin or Coast Guard dumidikit sa mga island occupied ng Vietnam?
Hindi daw tayo dumidikit.
Yes.
Actually, sa pro-China arguments ni Cayetano, malinaw na sinisisi pa ng Tsinador ang mga Pilipino sa pagwa-water cannon sa atin ng China.
And that is why walang water cannon. That is why hindi natin napapanood sa balita yung "You are in Vietnamese territory, move out." Because iniiwasan natin yung sa Malaysia at Vietnam.
Ayon sa ex-post ni Tariela, never daw tayong lumapit sa mga barko ng China at sa mga illegally reclaimed at okupadong maritime features nito sa West Philippine Sea.
This is my point, Mr. President. We're not being totally truthful to the Filipino people of what's happening sa West Philippine Sea, South China Sea.
Maaari daw na tama ang bobo at traidor na argumento ni Cayetano kung naniniwala ito na ang Bajo de Masinloc, Escoda Shoal, Ayungin Shoal at Pag-asa Island ay parte ng teritoryo ng China na malinaw na ninanakaw hindi lang ng ating exclusive economic zone kundi ng teritoryo rin. Ito pa ang dagdag na pahayag ni Tariela. On the contrary, it is the PRC that constantly engages in harassment and dangerous maneuvers close to Philippine-occupied features and waters. It is up to the Honorable Senator whether he chooses to believe PRC, talking points filled with falsehoods, or the Philippine Coast Guard personnel and independent journalists who present clear and incontrovertible evidence, photos, videos, and verifiable records.
And as we strengthen to face China, Malaysia and Vietnam are also strengthening.
At bilang dagdag pang sagot kay Cayetano, ni hindi daw tayo lumalapit sa mga occupied features ng Vietnam, Malaysia at iba pa. Pinapalabo daw lalo ni Cayetano ang issue para lang ipagtanggol ang China na super saya daw sa mga sinasabi ng huli. Kailangan din daw i-update ni Cayetano ang kanyang sarili ukol sa mga developments sa West Philippine Sea.
A concern for us, the Coast Guard. It is a concern for all Filipinos. You can see from how the ordinary Filipinos reacted in social media. They were disappointed, furious at some point. Because I think, we should really stand up for our rights in the West Philippines. And when you talk about the Kalayaan Island Group, it includes Pag-asa Island. And in Pag-asa Island, there is a community as many as more than 400 Filipinos